Do you want to learn to code as fast as possible? Let's go through this together. Hey, welcome to another video. My name's Peter, and if it's your first time here, you want to learn to code, and you want to stay motivated to reach that goal and change your life, then start now by subscribing and click that little bell icon so you don't miss anything. Come on, Nacho. Come here, boy. Come here. Oh, there's my good little Nacho. Yes. Oh, this is a very good little boy. Nacho Pacho. Nacho Pacho. Nacho Pacho. When you're biting into something as big as coding, you really need to kind of come up with a plan that's going to keep you on track. And I'll tell you what, no down days. That is the way that I've been doing it. And I'll tell you, it really does keep you focused so far in the future. What no down days means is that you do not go one day without coding. You don't go one day without coding. Whether it be even for half an hour, you're still in it. You're still programming that brain of yours to think like a programmer. You're still seeing the patterns. You're still in it. And you just know that every day when you wake up, man, I got to code today. I got to code today. No matter what happens, I've got to do some kind of coding today. And I'll tell you what, it just works so well, you cannot even believe it. I'm always telling you that your biggest obstacle in really learning to code is quitting. If you can just keep going, you will learn to code. You will learn to code. It's just a matter of time. But it's such a huge thing, you just get, depressed, and you feel like you're never gonna make it, and you feel like, man, I'm just not up to the task. Well, I'll tell you what, all you gotta do is just pick it apart piece by piece, one day at a time. One day at a time, friends. That's how we do it. That is how we do it. One day where you code. That's all I'm asking. And that you will get there. You will get there, whether it be 3 months, whether it be 6 months, whether it be 9 months, whether it be a year, whether it be 2 years. Who knows? I don't know how long you're going to be doing it. And the beauty about the no down days method is you just have no choice. All you got to do is make sure that you sign on to that program and you're in. You will get there. There is a period in time ahead of you where you will be a coder. If you can just do that, code every day. Dylan Israel, who has an awesome channel, if you don't watch his, please go check him out. But he's always saying, just code every day until you get a job. Code every day until you get a job. And it seems like so straightforward and easy, like how could that work? But that really is just it. Code every day. Code every day. You gotta code every day. As soon as you finish watching this video, start coding again, man. That's what it's about. That's how we get there. That's how we take little baby steps towards the goal. And that is how we reach the goal, is just little baby steps. You can do it. You can do, all you have to do is just not give up. If you give up, you can't do it. But if you don't give up, you can do it. Baby steps, incremental steps, getting that brain to just think like a programmer. A little bit every day. You can do it. I will see you in the next video. And rock on, fellow coder. Rock on. God bless you. What do you say when you want to quit?
I don't quit!